Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for being here. Today is Friday, so we are doing a weekend vlog, and I just got done filming a little new moon lunar eclipse. I hope that after I chat for so long, it's like sometimes my lips get gross, but I filmed a new moon and lunar eclipse yoga flow that'll be out today, but by the time this video is out, it's already available. So check the description. I always link yoga flows and yoga playlists, things like that. It's a beautiful day for Friday. Thank goodness. It's been quite rainy. And today I made a matcha lemonade. If you guys are familiar, I'm obsessed with making matcha lemonades lately. And this time I got a strawberry lemonade by the brand Santa Cruz. It's not my fave, but it's kind of fun. Summery, something different. And yeah, so we're filming a weekend vlog. I'm hoping today that we do something outside, maybe take the hammock, but I'm gonna edit for a minute and work. Bree's working right now as well, so I just wanted to start the vlog and say hello.
She's full bloom.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why. Guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we also know so reckless, so reckless. It took time to recognize we are all filled with pride. I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me. And now that you are in me, and there's no way without, cannot function with this power out. There were no reasons why. Yes, our beauty must die. We try hard, but we also so reckless, so reckless. So reckless.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's Saturday, and we're gonna go get some coffee.
Little coffee date.
Yesterday we spent a lot of time in nature, as you guys saw, which was so nice. And then we just came home and had dinner and watched this crazy documentary called
Stolen Youth.
Stolen Youth on Hulu, about these kids in college that like got brainwashed into a cult. Insane.
Sarah Lawrence College.
Yeah, it was up in New York. Crazy. Yeah. But today we're out on the town. Just want to say hello. That's the Tate coffee spot. Come on. Let's go, little one. What's up, guys? Today is Sunday and it's 4:45 p.m. I haven't vlogged at all today, but I went and taught a yoga class this morning at 10 a.m. and then I made brunch with my mom and sister for an early Mother's Day brunchy type of vibe. Saw my nieces, and we've had quite the fun weekend. But I'm actually on my way to get my hair cut for the first time in 3 years, so I'm ecstatic, and I want to film it because it's a nice transformation. I'm excited to get some of this hair and dead energy off, and I've got my inspo pic, so I'm really excited, and I hope it turns out really well. It's my first time at this salon, so fingers crossed, but just wanted to say hi. It's been a low-key Sunday, but here's the before of my hair. Long towards my chest, slightly dead, but she's still beautiful. But all right, here we go. You guys, here she is. It's so cute. It's everything I wanted. Like, even when I put it up and do a little ponytail. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. I was going for more like, it's also blown out, so it's like different than how it will look normal. What?
Aw, it's blown out. Yeah, blown out.
But it feels so healthy. I think it's gonna be so cute to wear it like half up, half down.
Yeah.
Hope you can see it. Put my hair like in a little pony. Oh, she's so cute. I can even do like a little cute little bun moment at the top.
Yep. I know, I feel like you got so much to like play around with.
Oh, it feels so good. Now I feel like I look 30. That's good. I wanna look my age. It matches my gray right there.
And it's like you could always grow your hair back out again. It's like, you know what I mean? It's
yeah,
like nice
I honestly want to kind of keep it short for a little while. I think
I love it.
It will.
I feel like it fits you where you're at in your life.
Yeah. We're going to pick up pizza. Also, the woman that cut my hair was a true angel. We were like really vibing, you know, we had a lot of alignment, and
that's like so nice to have.
Yeah, she's an artist and has a cat and she's in her yoga teacher training, and this was really nice experience.
Barbecue today.
I know, that's why I was like, oh, did you already order it?
Yeah. Damn, I could go.
Food trucks look good tonight.
It looks so good.
Alright, we got the pizza, but I wanted to get you a surprise, okay? They have them in there. Okay, ready? Close your eyes.
Okay.
Alright, one for you, one for me.
Oh! That's cute!
There's this one, and then that one. That's the one I picked for you!
Yeah,
I'll show the vlog. That's the one I picked for you.
This is so cute. I'm gonna put it on my office desk.
I know, look at mine.
There we go. Oh my god, this is
Isn't it cute? Pizza time!
Okay, well.